How would you like to save money on your heating bill? How would you like to stay warmer with even heat and without drying the air in your home? Introducing the USA 1500 infrared heater from SunHeat, the heater that evenly heats up to 1,000 square feet and looks beautiful doing it. The USA 1500 uses infrared heat. What does that mean for you? It means cutting-edge technology that heats a room evenly from floor to ceiling. No more hot and cold spots in your rooms. And just look at this thermometer and see how powerful those infrared elements are. Each element is rated for 43,000 hours of usage. That's the equivalent of heating your home 24 hours a day, 6 months each year for a decade. In addition, infrared heat does not remove moisture from your air. Typical heaters dry the air, making lotions and lip balms essential. Infrared heat maintains moisture levels so you stay comfortable in the colder months. How much time do you spend in your living room or kitchen when you're sleeping at night? None, right? So why are you heating your whole house 100% of the time? That's a huge waste of money. Your USA 1500 is on casters and is easy to move around. Use it where you need it and save on oil and electricity. Better yet, it looks gorgeous. With a thick, solid wood cabinet that is scratch, dent, and moisture resistant, it will be your favorite piece of furniture in your home. Made entirely in the USA with a full 5-year warranty, lifetime washable air filter, and real Honeywell thermostat, SunHeat thought of everything creating this stunning heater for your home. The USA 1500 infrared heater from SunHeat, the heater that evenly heats up to 1,000 square feet and looks beautiful doing it.
This infrared quartz electric fireplace stove, beautifully detailed with beveled glass and side viewing windows, is destined to be a standout piece in your home. The infrared quartz technology provides supplemental zone heating for up to 1,000 square feet and distributes even heat that maintains the natural humidity in the air. This stove features patent-pending 3D flame effects that display an ultra-realistic fire. The layered flames dance and flicker in front of and behind the log set and ember bed display, giving the appearance of a real wood-burning fire. This stove settings can be conveniently adjusted with the buttons on the control panel and with the included remote control. Heat up any large space in style with this electric fireplace stove.
The Air & More Comfort Deluxe is a compact, easy-to-use space heater that is perfect for warming rooms like bedrooms, offices, and living areas. Unlike some heaters that simply warm the air in front of them, the Air & More uses radiant infrared heating to generate oven-like warmth that envelopes your skin and seeps into surrounding objects, leaving your entire space feeling cozy. Once plugged in, just switch the heater on and use the digital controls to set your temperature from 40 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The heater will turn on and off to automatically maintain your set temperature. Choose between low and high mode depending on the size of your space and the amount of heat needed. And you can also set your temperature from across the room using the included remote control. At just 17 inches tall, 13 inches wide, and 17 inches deep, the Air & More is compact enough for some tight spaces. It has wheels that come pre-attached, making it a cinch to move from room to room. Its plastic housing is completely safe to touch while operating. If it's knocked over, the heater automatically turns off and restarts when restored to an upright position. It also has overheat protection, so the Air & More turns off before there is any danger of overheating. The Easy Cord Wrap makes storage a breeze, and the washable pre-filter traps any dust or lint. Simply remove and rinse the filter with water as needed. Be sure it is completely dry before reattaching it to the heater. The Air & More Comfort Deluxe, compact, powerful heating for rooms of any size.
Stay warm with Dr. Infrared Heater, the state-of-the-art energy-saving space zone heater that can heat a large 1,000 square foot room fast. Dr. Infrared Heater keeps you comfortable all winter long and could even help slash your heating bill in half.
Dr. Infrared Heater is the best one that I've ever had.
The heat that it
emits is really just warm, just yummy kind of feeling.
Really fast, it's quiet.
The heat from Dr. Infrared Heater is wonderful. It is so gentle and it fills the space. It doesn't blast out at me like other ones that we've used. It just gently fills the space with the warmth that we want. It's really cozy.
You turn the heat on, you know that it will come on instantly. I think every home should have it. Every classroom should have it. I absolutely love it. I can't imagine life without Dr. Infrared Heater.
Now, not only is it affordable and a great value, but it can help you save hundreds of dollars off your home heating costs. In fact, many homeowners enjoy annual savings of up to 50% on their heating costs.
One customer, Steve, writes, "I saved about $110 this month. This heater will pay for itself in 2 months."
And J.A. Mudson writes, "The heat radiates the room and warms everywhere. We have been able to cut off our wall heat and save on rising propane costs."
I mean, we can go on and on. Monica purchased 2 heaters and says she uses them instead of her furnace. With Dr. Infrared Heater, you simply get more for your money. This ingenious high-velocity blower forces heat into the environment for maximum distribution as it stays remarkably cool inside, which ensures maximum hot air distribution and extended operating life. Speaking of which, the lifetime of Dr. Infrared Heater is an incredible 80,000 hours for winter after winter of comfort and savings. That's 4 times longer than other infrared heaters. No other heater on the market can match Dr. Infrared Heater's performance.
What do you say we show our viewers at home just how fast Dr. Infrared Heater works?
Great.
Here we have 2 airtight chambers. Inside one is a space heater with a price tag of over $400. And in the other is Dr. Infrared Heater, which costs not even half of that. Just imagine what this revolutionary heating system can do in your home.
This state-of-the-art heating system features an impressive 5-point safety design that'll give you peace of mind every day and night.
A problem I've encountered with many space heaters in the past is they get too hot. Once they're on, forget about touching them, let alone moving them until they've cooled off. And for added safety and security, Dr. Infrared Heater is engineered with a sensor that automatically shuts off the heating system if the internal temperature reaches an excessive level.
I love this feature. Dr. Infrared Heater has an automatic shut-off timer you can set from 1 hour all the way up to 12 hours.
With Dr. Infrared Heater, I don't have to worry about one of my kids, or Trixie, our lab, bumping into it or knocking it over. Because look at it. It's sturdy, it's solid, it's not going anywhere.
And proudly, Dr. Infrared Heater is listed by ETL and Underwriters Laboratories in the USA and Canada. These marks represent the utmost in safety and quality assurance.
Make this winter the season you start saving big money on home heating and order Dr. Infrared Heater right now.